Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to simplify your cooking like never before. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's an all-in-one kitchen wizard, replacing 9 different appliances from slow cooker to yogurt maker. With 15 smart, customizable programs, delicious meals are just a button push away, making cooking effortless for anyone. Imagine perfectly cooked rice, hearty stews, or even homemade cakes, all without constant supervision. Durability meets convenience with its premium stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy, even cooking and super easy cleanup. Unlike non-stick alternatives, this pot is built to last, offering peace of mind and consistent results every time you cook. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen upgrade for 2025, the Duo Plus stands out for its blend of advanced features and robust build. Check out the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own and see current pricing. It's an incredible value. For anyone wanting to save time, eat healthier, and simplify meal prep, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is a definite must-have.